We think of human civilization as the origin of agriculture. We started farming about 12,000 years ago, but that actually makes us newbies, because these creatures, the leafcutter ants, have been doing it for 60 million years. They are, quite simply, the world's earliest and most competent farmers. They are fungus tycoons, building true underground cities with an insatiable need for resources, and their sophisticated methods put our farms to shame. When an ant reaches the canopy, the harvest begins. Their mandibles are essentially shears, serrated and lined with zinc, powerful enough to slice through leaves. As they cut, they bounce their bodies, creating vibrations, like a leafcutter samba, that guide others to the best leaves. Hauling those massive pieces back to the nest is no small feat. For a human, it would be like carrying more than 600 pounds with their teeth. They drink sap for quick energy, but they don't eat the leaves themselves. Instead, specialized workers clean, crush, and stack the biomass, even composting it with a little bit of their own waste. On this fertile bed, they spread spores to grow a highly nutritious fungus, their only food source. This crop cannot survive without them, and they cannot survive without it. The domesticated fungus has even evolved nutrient-rich swellings called gondolidia, specifically to feed the ants. This total interdependence is known as higher agriculture. So, how did this all start? The first agricultural revolution for ants began around 61 million years ago, in the aftermath of the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs. In the dark, unstable world that followed, fungi thrived while plants struggled. By harnessing fungi, a teen ant secured a reliable food source underground. This partnership reshaped their biology forever. They even lost the ability to produce a vital amino acid, making them completely dependent on their crops. A steady food supply granted leafcutters the luxury of specialization, producing the most complex division of labor among ants. The smallest workers, called the minimums, are caretakers deep underground. They tend the fungus, groom larvae, and remove mold, parasites, and invaders. Medium-sized media workers forage above ground, where dangers abound. Chief among them is the phorid fly, which can inject larvae inside their bodies. If injured, a media worker is reassigned to the waste chamber, the colony's toxic dump, where she manages discarded leaves, dead larvae, and moldy fungus. Finally, the majors are the soldiers. Heavy-bodied and powerful, they guard the tunnel entrance. They can crush an invader's thorax with a single bite and stop anything, even a worker carrying the wrong leaf, from endangering the fragile civilization inside. Life begins with the queen. Born larger than any other, she mates mid-flight, then burrows into damp soil to start anew. In darkness, she spits out a tiny scrap of fungus, a seed from her old colony, and feeds on her own wing muscles until her first daughters emerge. She will never leave her chamber again. For 10 to 15 years, the colony grows around her, an empire of millions. But eventually the balance tips. Foraging slows, mold spreads, the waste piles up, and the chemical maps break down. As the colony collapses, the queen is left alone in the soil, the civilization gone. From Texas to South America, leafcutter ants are so successful they are considered agricultural pests, capable of stripping a tree in hours. They are the dominant herbivore of the neotropics. Their story, born from extinction, built on domestication, is one of evolution's most remarkable achievements. We may think farming defines humanity, but in truth, it defines life itself. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Forever Green for more nature and climate stories that change how we see the world.